Hey! Yeah. Hey. So, hello people from college. I know you're from college because I under-promote my channel. Today's video is going to be about Polish phrases and words, because I'm like half Polish, and I wanted to do a video about something Polish, like Polish cartoons or music, which mostly consists of rap. But anyway, I did not choose those other subjects because I knew that I would probably get copyrighted and my channel's too small to afford that. I shouldn't complain about my channel's being small. I under-promote my channel, so it's really my fault. Anyway, let's get on with it. This is a sort of like scripted video because basically I've been recommended that I do scripted videos, just so you know. Yeah. Right, so first off, we're going to be doing counting, like jedno, dwa, trzy, cztery, pięć, it's double-sided. I forgot I did that. 7, 8, 9, 10, which I suppose goes. And in English, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I suppose. Yes, on yes, madam. This be in Polish, as in like be bored, be happy, that sort of be, not as in like bumblebee, is be have is mieć, do is in like making something, is robić, can is in knowing how to do something, is umieć, I think. No, as in you know how something is done is like wie, yet, know as in you know someone is not. Maybe I should put my glasses on. It will, I suppose, it will probably give me glare, but you know, at least I'll be able to properly be more confident reading. So it's a sacrifice I'll have to make. Now, where am I? Oh yeah. Understand, yes. Understand is rozumieć. Speak is no, hang on. Mówić. Speak is mówić. Or is it like maybe that's something else. Here is we see is widzieć, feel is to live is the I think, yeah. One is shit. Need is potrzebować. Like is lubić. Love is kochać. Give is dawać. Take is brać. Play is scratch. Laugh is share. Calm is go is yeah. No. Enough of go by is yeah. Charge. Yeah. Right is pisać. Read is czytać. Count is liczyć. Policzyć. There's some pronounces wymiawać, spell is przelecirować, conjugate is konjugować, remember is pamiętać, forget is zapomnieć, eat is fuck, I forgot. Okay, I just swore. Oh well, never mind, you're all of age. It is yeah, that's it. Silly me, forgetting words. Próbować is try. Używać is use. Korzystać on to the next one, I suppose. Some of these words I don't know and can't really remember. Which is strange, because I'm reading off a guide of words that I should have... Well, if I can't remember when I'm writing the script, I won't remember when I'm filming the video. So always write your scripts when you remember everything. Otwierać is otwierać. Yes, that's it. Open. Close is zamykać. Hello? You want Evelina? Here it is. Never mind, that was my mum's friend. I'm not even going to say, because, I mean, I could, but I have a whole rest of the video to do, so that's not an option. Yay! Besides, did I say zamykać? Because that means close. Great, as in like welcome, is witać. Begin is zaczynać się, and end is nie see. Nie widzę pogody or something. I'll say some phrases now. Question. Right, I should probably say what the phrase means first. Can I have soup? Proszę zalewajcie. How much is this? Is ile to kosztuje? Where's the beach? Is gdzie jest plaza? I still have the rest of the video to do. No, I've read off this. On jest ma do something great. So that's about it really. I mean, unless you want to see me pickled onion, because I didn't have that much dinner. Not because I didn't want it, but because I had Skittles earlier. Oh well. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Yeah. Yeah. This is what I'm doing. Rotating the camera because I can't tell I can't remember what to press to stop filming, so I'll give you a tour of my house. Without narration, I suppose.
Are you going to do it again, or?
What button do I press to stop filming? I'm currently doing a house tour, but when I'm stopped.